Education. It starts for all of us with a blank piece of paper. And then it leads to knowledge, curiosity, and discovery. Worlds open. Minds expand. But the road gets more challenging. And no matter how brilliant we may be, at some point, we all get stuck. So Course Hero did something about it. We set out to get students unstuck. And we made it our mission to help more people graduate confident and prepared than ever before. Today, Course Hero can help students with virtually any course at any college, anywhere in the world. And we're leveling the playing field for all, from students with children to students with jobs to students who are just plain in over their head. But we still have a long way to go. Creating a world where every student graduates is an incredibly rewarding but incredibly massive challenge. It requires finding the world's best problem solvers. It's engineers building the world's largest educational content marketplace. It's AI specialists building personalized learning and teaching tools. And it's designers and marketers who share a passion for what we do. We're also a great place to work, and it goes beyond ping pong tables. Walk through our doors, and you can actually feel the collaboration and energy. We are Course Hero. We are a hyper-growth company that is changing the way students learn and making a meaningful impact all over the world. Help invent the future of student learning. Visit us at coursehero.com/jobs.